Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk about some general topics that are very favorable when pitching the media. Topics that they're always looking for. So things like health, wealth, relationships, personal growth, business. But you don't want the vanilla on this. I always say, you want the peanut butter fudge with caramel topping. How do you take those topics and give them a really juicy, valuable, exciting story that they're going to want to cover? So think about those topics. Know those are always relatable to 99% of media outlets. And of course, you're going to do your homework. So you're going to hone it in and make sure you're pitching the right media outlet, the right story. So that is this week's PR tip. I hope you enjoyed that. We have many more in our challenge, which is at yourprchallenge.com, where I take you through every single day for 10 days. It's about 10 minutes a day, and I will help you land media coverage. So please join the challenge, go through the steps, learn how to do it. There's no other way to get such massive visibility for your business. So I'll see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.